here outside of Paris Baguette in Flushing, Korean bakery, but they use the name of Paris in it. And there's different pastries inside. So let's check it out. What's your favorite thing to eat?
Right here, that's tiramisu.
Oh, that looks good.
It's pretty good. It has tiramisu cream inside and outside tiramisu powder.
Very nice, very nice.
Really good.
Yeah.
Ooh, that looks really interesting. They're deep frying something. Looks like it's Mochi Donuts. It's a donut made from glutenous rice flour. It's really stretchy, chewy, and airy at the same time. I gotta get a few of those.
Oh, you can see, yeah, it's definitely gum. Look at that. It's hard to, I got two. It is like a mochi, but room temperature. Definitely feel the gumminess of the mochi. Overall, it's not too sweet. A little bit. Get the consistency. Sorry, I wasn't napkin. But overall, oh, somebody went in to finish it off. Yeah. What's the consistency? It doesn't. It's probably definitely not like Dunkin Donuts or Tim Hortons or.
Well, I haven't had any of those in years, so I don't really know.
Let's see what Irene says.
Kind of like gummy. Like
Is it gummy?
chewy. I don't know how to describe it. I never had donuts like.
It's gummy? Alright, that's what I figured, because it's mochi. Try the raspberry. Let's pull it apart. This is messy. You can see, look at it. Look at that stretch. Insides. Definitely a messy thing. The raspberry is light. The donut is airy and delicious. But the good thing is it's not too sweet. So definitely try it out.
If you really enjoyed those little stretchy, goodness, chewy bites, you're gonna really like this next video up over here for another Flushing establishment. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.